I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now here search and select Elastic Email. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API key, go to the Elastic Email Dashboard. Now click on Setting and navigate to API. Create additional API key. Give the meaningful key name as you want. You need to grant full access permission to make the API successful. Then click Create. Now copy the API key. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the lists. Now map the field. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Elastic Email. Click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now navigate Elastic Email page, navigate to the audience, then navigate to the lists. Now select the list. Here is the data that came into Elastic Email through the integration. Thanks for watching.